Hey guys, welcome to this week's vlog. Okay, so today is Wednesday and I'm just now starting to film. Sorry guys, I have not left the house either though since, I don't know, sometime. I don't think I left all weekend and I haven't gone anywhere yet this week. So it's been a while. That's why I haven't filmed, because I haven't done anything except cook on Thanksgiving. Wait a minute, I did film some on Saturday and stuff when I made the vlog, last week's vlog. So I've filmed, but I haven't filmed since then. Haven't filmed since Saturday, probably. Anyway, so we're off to town. I'm going to, I think for our Fun Friday, we're gonna do a haul. And all the stuff I got for, what's that, Black Friday and Cyber Monday, and then I'm going to get a few more things now because I don't know if they have them at my Ulta, but I would like to just pick them up. But all my plans for Christmas have changed. We were going to California, I think I told you guys that. Well, my daughter got a job, and so now she is, I mean, she still wanted us to come, but she has to work, so I wouldn't be able to spend that much time with her. So I decided, you know what, I'll just wait and go later on, because once she's had the job for a while, it won't be as big a deal to where she needs to worry about us and worry about learning her new job. So I thought, we'll just go, I'll just go by myself later, and visit after the holidays. And so now I need to find a new Christmas tree, because our Christmas tree is very sad. Last year I had a live tree, but now we have the cats, and I don't want them to get sick chewing on the tree. And they're both very young. They're not even a year old, either one of them. Ransom just turned 5 months old 2 days ago. And Yzma is going to be a year old in January. That's what we're doing. We're gonna go look for a Christmas tree. I gotta go to Walmart. I gotta get a couple of makeup things that I've been not getting because I haven't been to town. And then I want to go to Ulta because I got more makeup things, although it's not as imperative now, because I was going to have to pre-film all that California stuff. Now I don't have to, because I'll just be here. So anyways, we're off to town. Good morning guys. I just thought I just got done taking care of the animals, and I wanted to show you guys what I got from Hobby Lobby for Black Friday. Everything was half price, remember I said that? So I'm going to show you my beautiful, oh, I need to turn the lights on first, so hold that thought. Let's see if I can get back far enough. Isn't it gorgeous? See, that tree goes up pretty high. Probably going to have to move that when we watch TV though. But aren't they beautiful? The reindeers. The trees are lit. They have like a blue light, like Frozen look, obviously. Makes a great shadow too. And then I have the little Olaf. I got him too. I mean, the Sven. I didn't get the Olaf. I'm gonna go back and see if I can get them, because they were half price, $5. And that's the little snow guy I made last year or the year before. And then of course the gnomes. And we got a tree yesterday, finally. And I ordered some more lights for it, some cluster lights, and I'm leaving it set up, but I haven't really finished it, so I'm gonna finish pulling it apart today and let you guys see. It looks like there's a big hole in the lights, but that's okay, because I'm gonna put those cluster lights in it. And I wanted it to be really skinny, and that's what I got. And I'm leaving it up just like this to let them get used to not touching it. So far they have not gotten used to it. They still want to chew on it. So I'm hoping that they'll get over it before I start decorating it. But I am going to get those plastic balls so that if they do knock them off, you know, I can just pick them up and put them back on. Okay. Everything else I'm going to do today is probably cleaning. So we'll see. Okay guys, I was just filming for Monday's vlog, Monday's video, and for next week's videos. Anyways, I realized that I have to get tomorrow's vlog up and there's a lot of parts where I'm just doing things and you guys don't know what I'm doing, and it's kind of dark because I was trying to do the Christmas tree and I had the camera kind of far away, and there's a window behind the tree, blah 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 blah. Basically, because of the window, everything in the room was kind of dark. Anyways, I'm just going to tell you what I was doing. So in this vlog, I go to town, I get a tree. I don't remember what else I told you I was going to get, but anyways, then I'm going to do in fast motion. When I got home with the tree, I put the tree up, and I have these Christmas ornament, the balls, and they're plastic. So I just put some of those on the tree so that the cats could get used to them and get over them because I ordered these cluster lights that are so pretty. And I had to wait for those. I didn't want to decorate the tree until after I put those lights on. So I just put one box. I had 2 boxes of these red Christmas balls, and I put one box on so that they could get in trouble. Play with them, get in trouble, and I could just pick them up, up and put them back on. So that's what the first part is, was me putting those on. And then I had to take them all off when the lights came in. And I put the lights on, and then I realized I didn't have enough lights, but the light strings are $45 a piece. So we're not going to have enough lights this year, but the tree is pre-lit with white lights. I just wanted all these really pretty cluster lights to go in it too. So I put the 1 string of lights on, and then I also bought this awesome thing. It is a Christmas tree bag, and basically it's canvas, and you crunch it up and you put it on the bottom of the tree stand, and then you roll it all up into itself, and then it has a drawstring that you pull, and then you put the tree in, and then after Christmas you just take the balls off and undo this little string and pull it up over the tree, and it's all packed up for next year, because I'm just going to leave it. I mean, it comes apart. The tree comes apart, but I'm not going to take it apart. I'm going to leave it together. I'm going to leave the lights on it, and that way I'll have my husband take it to the basement, and it'll be all together, and next year we just get it out, roll that bag back down, plug it in, and put the balls back on. It's going to be so awesome. I'm so excited. Anyways, you guys get to see me figure out how to put that bag at the bottom, and then crunch it all up and everything, and then you put a tree skirt over it, so it's just like it looks like an inner tube kind of at the bottom, but that's okay. You put a tree skirt on it, and then you put presents, but there's no presents because I waited till the last minute, and they're still coming in from Amazon, so there won't be any presents in this week's vlog. Maybe next week. Definitely next week. Next week is Christmas, huh? So maybe there won't be. They'll be all open by then, but you'll get to see them in between. Anyways, and then after I do that first one, and then I put the bag on it, then I'm going to clean, and I make some more toothpaste. We ran out of toothpaste. I made like 2 batches a while back, quite a while back, and we finally ran out, so I had to make more toothpaste, but I'm going to do that and fast forward too. That's just kind of letting you know what's going on in my day, which I didn't tell you because actually I talked through the whole thing, but I'm not going to, it took forever, so I'm going to put it in fast forward with music. So that's what I'm doing. I'm making toothpaste. And then at the end, I will put the ornaments on the tree, and that's the part that's really dark because of the light behind it. But I'll just put a little bit of that in there, and then after that, I'm going to put in some of the cats playing, and then I'll come back in and tell you it's over. So, stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm back. It's the end. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Stay cool.